Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of the Diamond Trader. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're doing an update. Yes, it's not so long ago we've done an update, but I'm doing an update on Hcmc. Okay, we're going to have a look at a few things. We're going to have a look at not so much the news because there hasn't been any news, but we'll talk about what's been happening on the stock in terms of the social media. We'll look at the pricing. Everyone always wants to see what pricing is looking at. We're going to do a little bit of a technical analysis on price. We're going to look at a short report, okay, to see how much this stock is being shorted by. So it's quite interesting. And somewhere in the video, probably at the end, I don't know yet, stay tuned, I'm going to do a competition. So it's going to be like a Hcmc competition, completely free. Don't have to pay to get in, okay. But so yes, stay tuned to listen to this, just to add a little bit of excitement to the Hcmc world. So yeah, price. What happened yesterday? People call it a short squeeze. This is not a definition of a short squeeze, guys. Yesterday, nor was it pumped and dumped to the point where everyone was talking about. We did obviously see an increase in price, and then we saw prices drop down. And again, that's that was to be expected. We knew this was going to happen. By how much? I'm hoping people didn't buy in here. But we're down back to the levels really where we started, where we were a few days ago. So nothing's really changed there. Having said that, on the month the price is up compared to, on the month, so that's good. So yeah, so let's go in and have a look at, first of all, before we go and have a look at price in detail, let's have a look at the short report. So the red line here, okay, actually indicates the actual volume, the regular volume, the total volume, should we say. So we can see, and then the grey one down below indicates the actual short volume, okay, so what's been shorted by. So obviously, as you can see, we had quite high volumes here, run 19th of April, the 16th to 19th of April, then volumes dropped, okay, and then as you can see here, right about the 29th of April, we had volumes increase, so a lot of buying going down, but at the same time quite a lot of shorting. So most recently we've had volumes of 44% volume shorting, and to most recently, which was yesterday, 37%. Okay, so still seems to be that there's a strong hold for a bullish market, bullish price on this, so it's good to see for us long-term holders. So that's what we like to see. So yeah, so that's a little bit of it, so you can have a look, guys. It gives you an idea of what it's been shorted by. But again, for the long-term holders, we're in for this for the long time, right? Let's have a look at this, and this is quite an interesting one. Shout out to Majesty's Jazz. I really quite liked what he put out on Reddit here. So just stop treating this like GME, right? And just be patient, because I like this. We have a number of natural events that will follow this stock. So we have favourable earnings report. I'm not sure if they're reporting their first quarter tomorrow, actually. I'm not too sure. Leave me comments down below. Does anyone know that? I don't know when they are reporting, because it's an OTC. They don't officially report anything, but I heard rumours that the first quarter was getting reported tomorrow. So let me know in the comments down below if you know about that. Judge denying the PM dismissal, trial settlement win for Hcmc, and Hcmc expansion and acquisition using the funds from the settled case or royalties paid from Philip Morris. And the fifth one is a share buyback. All of this will happen between now and 2 years or so. Very true. So yeah, so that's the moral of the story there. So I thought it would be worth a shout out there. Now let's go in and have a look at price. Okay, pricing. We did see these levels. The other day when I done the video, we just broke through these levels. Okay, and as you can see, what happened is, boom, on the 3rd of May, yesterday, had a bit of a fake out there, so it didn't actually get to that level which we wanted to get to, which was 0.003, which is our next resistance level. It actually pumped, dropped back down, tanked, and we actually came back down to these levels. It would have been nice to have had it as 0.00226, okay, but we're actually down just on 0.0021, okay, so it would have been nice to see it maintain at these levels, and we're not seeing this. If we do see a drop further down, though, if we have a look at the last green candles, so this is the hour chart, guys, right? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last 6 hours we've had green candles, which is quite good. So this could be a constant consolidation zone, which we've seen in many occasions, like you see here. So right from the 26th of April right down to the 30th of April, we had a consolidation. So this normally happens, all right, on a when we have an upward trend. So at the moment, we're really on an upward trend because we have this up, a drop back, a retracement back down, which is normal. And again, look, we've got these support and resistance levels, which seems to be respecting it quite well. So it goes boom, drops back down, stays down to these levels, which if we ever get low anytime soon, it would be no lower than 0.013, I would imagine, which is on what you see on the screen. And then we've got it back, boom, back up to these levels again. Look, this red line is showing the resistance levels. Now, it's up until recently, the 30th of April, is where we've seen that breakage of that level. So boom, we've gone up, and then, like I said, this is good because we have consolidation, we have a peak and a retracement and consolidation. That's usually a sign that we're going up. It's an upward trend, okay, and that's what we're seeing at the moment, is a slight upward trend. It's very early days because we're talking about really since the 16th of April, really, which we started to see this upward trend. It was consolidating. If we go right back, it was consolidating for ages in these levels here, but it's not looking bad at all. Actually, it's not looking bad at all. People ask, well, was it a good time to buy? I don't know. It depends if you're a short-term holder or a long-term holder. If you're a long-term holder, yeah, then prices are good at this time. If you're looking to get in and out, then you probably wait for the levels to get back down to these levels here. If they do, but yeah, either way, it's quite a good level. It's quite a good price to be buying in at. I think. What am I doing? I'm still holding on to my share, guys. I'm not doing anything. Not buying anymore. Not dollar cost average or anything. Like I said before, I've already got my money out, made my money back on this. So the money that I have on here is actually the casino. Sorry, it's the house's money. Okay, so I'm not losing anything at all. Now that's a little bit of the price action. Now in terms of the RSI, if we look at the RSI, we'd normally see the RSI is actually we're in the middle, which is quite good, which would suggest it's not been oversold or overbought. Okay, those of you, just to give you a quick idea of what we might mean by this, why do we use the RSI? RSI, we use this as an indicator to see if a stock's been overbought or it's been oversold. So normally when we hit the level of 70, which is hit this level here, around about 70, when we go past this level, which we are here, okay, it would normally suggest it's been overbought, which would suggest that we could have a decrease in the price anytime people would start to sell off. And this is what happened, guys. If you have a look here, and remember, I always say go by the second break. So let's say if you're day trading this, you'd go one, and then you hit the second line, boom, you would sell here. Okay, so you would sell here, and then look what's happened. If you would have sold there, boom, levels, you would have gone down, you made that much money. That's just to give you an idea if you're into using RSIs. Now, RSI is not suggesting that it's overbought or oversold, so we could have either way. Again, I would imagine this going back up. Again, look at the exponential moving average. We've got the 21 exponential moving average, okay, and I would imagine we're going to go up towards that level. Okay, so we're away from it. So it's actually we're actually below that level at the moment, which will suggest we've still got room to go up. So again, this is looking quite promising this week. My prediction is price is going to go up. Okay, would like to see these levels. How much by? We don't know. It's difficult to imagine. Because really the support and resistance levels are these levels. There's nowhere in between, and I can't imagine it going up that quick to these levels before we had before. But we'll see. Either way, it's looking bullish, guys. Looking bullish for me. So that's a little bit in price action, guys. So let's finalize this video with the competition. Now the competition is as follows. Okay, I've done a giveaway before, so I've given away money, but I'm not going to do a giveaway as such this time. What I'm going to do this time, guys, is at the end of the week, I want you to tell me what is your prediction on the price of Hcmc at the time of close on Friday. Okay, whoever is nearest to the price of the closing, okay, whoever's nearest to that price, so it needs to be 0.0, it have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits, so it needs to be the full price, right, like we're seeing on the screen at the moment. Okay, so here it needs to be these digits. So you can't say 0.001. Okay, so it has to be 0.001187, for example, which is where it is at now. That's you would have to put that right. Now next to that, you need whoever gets closest to that has a choice. And I would do this for that person. Whoever wins, I would do a stock analysis of their choice. Okay, so I would take my time out to do a stock chosen by that person, and I would do a full analysis on it. I'm not going to tell you whether I would buy it or not, because obviously it's I would give you my thoughts, and I would do my analysis on that stock. Whoever wins. Okay, so the idea is you put the price, guys. Put the price, what you think the price is, in the comments, right? In the comments down below, and give me the name of the stock you would like me to analyze. Okay, so whoever wins then will be shouted out next week, and I will do a video analysis on that stock that person's chosen, and I'll put it out onto YouTube. Okay, so that's a little bit of a price. It's not money, but it's my time that I will take to analyze a stock of your choice. It can be any stock. It can be a growth stock, it can be a value stock, whatever stock you choose, or maybe a stock that you're interested in before and you've never got around to analyzing it. I'll analyze it from my point of view. Okay, so yeah, and also don't forget, before you do that, you really have to hit that like button and subscribe. Okay, otherwise I need to grow. This channel needs to grow. So guys, that's a little bit on Hcmc, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and take care and speak to you soon. Bye bye now.